Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And now, what are the new features in 21H1, if any? So, I talked about how there's really not much change. And overall, once you have updated to 21H1, as you see here, I am already there, you won't really see a difference. You will be looking at your desktop and thinking, so I've installed what exactly? Well, there isn't much to talk about in 21H1 because all the efforts, like I said, were made on Windows 10 X, and so they just decided that really the big feature update will be next, and by the end of this year, actually, 21H2, the next version. But there's still a few little things to talk about depending on the version where you are. For everybody, whatever version you have, one of the things that is always been there in Windows 10 is something called Windows Hello. When you go to your accounts, one of the things that is here is the way that you actually can sign in. In the sign in options, you have what's called Windows Hello, and Windows Hello has different features: Hello Face, Hello Fingerprint, and so on, or a pin. One of the changes is that Windows Hello Face required you to have an integrated camera for the most part to sign in with your face. Now Windows Hello Face will work with also external USB cameras. So as long as they have the minimum requirement for your computer, your cameras, as needs a minimum requirement for face recognition. If you have that requirement with that external camera, now it will accept USB cameras also, not just internal cameras of the device like their laptop. That's one change. The other change is for people using Pro and Enterprise versions of Windows. And it has to do with Windows Defender and something called Windows Defender Application Guard. Application Guard is a side of Windows Defender that also actually integrates into, for example, Microsoft Edge browser. It's an added security for going on the web and surfing the web and also networking. This is upgraded. The Windows Application Guard will be upgraded to work better and be faster within a computer that will run this. Now, this is not for the home version, as Application Guard is not available for Windows 10 Home. And the last other little thing has to do with the speed of the different services when you actually... we have the registry, but some have, of course, the ability to change internally at the basics. And this, once again, is not a home thing, but there's group policies, and there's something that you can do with Pro and Enterprise version where you can edit and change group policies. Also, they've made improvements on the group policy editing where things are faster and actually snappier, and so it's really a performance improvement in general. For the rest, think of 21H1 as being rather the same thing as the version, that you already have if you're on the May and the October 2020 update. That's why, we don't necessarily, I don't really push any new versions usually because of that. Nothing exciting. And for those that like the boring is perfect, boring is good, you have the perfect boring update here. The update technically should go well. Technically should have, work okay. On the insider rings where it's tested right now before the release, there doesn't seem to be a lot of problems for people upgrading to this version, so we'll see what happens. there was a little problem that was seen, but apparently this is going to be fixed, or fixed. It's going to be fixed before it's released. Nothing really special, and whatever problem is or blocker is on the May 2020 update or October 2020 update will probably be a blocker for 21H1, since they are really pretty much the same version of Windows. So as you see, nothing much to talk about, but a few little things that are here and there, but nothing more. You're still at the same old version. And like I said, if you like boring is good, well, that's perfect for you. It's an update that's perfect before a major update coming up later this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.